So here's the last way I'm going to show you how to use actions, and that is if you have to do something for multiple files that's the same thing, you can do these batch actions. So I do this sometimes when I've been working on multiple pages and I have to prepare them for either for printing or for the web. So we're going to use these are the first 4 pages of the comic I did for the Served anthology, and I just have them up here in the original files. They're Photoshop files, they have all these layers. So let's pretend like I need to save these for the web. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to save one page how I need, recording it so that I can do the same thing on the other pages. So I have this one. I'm going to make a new action, and I'm going to call it temp. Oops. So this is just a temporary action. I don't need to hold on to it for a long time. I can record and just delete it afterwards. So recording it. So I love how this is. I'm going to flatten the image. That's the first thing I'm recording. Yet I'm going to discard hidden layers. So I flattened it all into one. And I'm going to go to image, image size. Okay. And let's see, I'll do it pixels. Okay. So right now the resolution 300. Let's cut that down to 72. Screen resolution, old screen resolution. The height is pretty good. The width, though, I want it to be 900, let's say. Okay, and this is how I'm going to do it. So I want the width to be 900. That's what it's going to change. It's going to adjust the height accordingly. So I'm saving it this way for the other pages. Just so you know, whatever you change, that's what it will change. It won't affect the other stuff the same. It'll just so cut the width down to 900 and then keep it in proportion with the height and cut the resolution. So I did OK. All right. So there's the file. Here it is at 100%. All right. I am still saving, or I'm still recording. Here's what's nice about that. I can go to File, Save As, and let's do Desktop, New Folder. I'm going to call that Temp. Okay. And I can save it as a JPEG because I'm saving it for the web. Okay. Hit that. Don't mess with the name because you want it to kind of stay the same. Just switch to JPEG, just save it in a new place. So when you're saving files like this that you're adjusted, you want to leave the old one where it is and save the new ones in a new folder. Okay, and I hit save. All right, it's going to save it with these JPEG options. Great. And then you can even, while you're still recording, you can even close it. Okay, and it's going to close and go to the next file. All right, awesome. So to me that worked out really well. I flattened the image, changed the size, saved it, and closed it. Okay, so if you want to, you can hit play on it and it will do it on this page, the new one that you're on, including close it. And you can do that on each page. Let's say you had 10, 12, 100 of these that you needed to do the same. You can do this option. Go to File, Automate, Batch, and Source. Let's do Open Files, and it will just do the action you want, temp page save there that we did, batch, and hit OK. And I didn't do anything and it just ran through all those. So you can close this. You can see my desktop exactly how it is. Here's the new temp desktop, and there are the files ready to go for the web. All right.